Ma Mridu here, and welcome back to Facebook Live. Good morning to each and every one of you. I'm sure you all must have had an amazing Mahasadashivratri, which happened a couple of days back. Mahasadashivratri is the day when Sadashiva comes in a form of a light, and it is on this day that Devi receives the knowledge and enlightenment and becomes one with Sadashiva. It was an amazing experience for me, especially at the Bangalore Adinam. We had a setup where we had like 10 to 12 booths where we were just manifesting powers for everyone. So a lot of these power manifestors were sitting down with balasans and just sitting there and sharing and radiating various powers from healing, third eye solutions, or mind over consciousness, mind over matter, and many things else, consciousness over matter, and many other powers. And what was really amazing is when I was sitting down and just connecting with people, and they basically came with a problem, and I had to see through the third eye what solution they could have. And it was amazing what came through because one lady, she did. For some of them, I actually said, I'll see what problem you have and I'll let you know the solution at the same time. And just out of the third eye, it was revealed that she's looking to have another child. And she's like, how do you know about it? And it's just that it just gets revealed. And it was an amazing experience to sit there throughout. I wasn't even counting the hours I was there, but it was an amazing space to be in, to just be able to sit and interact with so many people from all walks of life coming to seek solutions from the third eye. And some of them were just sitting, and just more and more got revealed for them. It's an amazing space to be in, to just allow Swamiji to flow through you, especially when you're in oneness with him. Now, the reason I'm sharing all this is because you too can manifest similar powers, and the only way and the best way to do it is to have oneness with him. Now, when we constantly say oneness, you may wonder what is oneness. Now, oneness means basically just sitting with him, sitting and being in his breathing space, sitting and experiencing him. You can be in his physical presence, and or you can be in front of his photograph, or you can just be sitting and connecting with the formless. But connecting with that energy is oneness. And I could see that just by connecting and being in that oneness space, he reveals so much more through the third eye. And today, very surprisingly, I was on this healing session today, and we had two people on the healing session, and one of them said, is something wrong with my third eye? And I was like, how can something be wrong with your third eye? He said, I'm not able to manifest this, I'm not able to manifest that. And so I said, well, and he said I was trying to manifest rain and it didn't happen. So I said, let's do it now. And as I shared with them the same thing about sitting and being in oneness, just sitting. Uh, you need not feel that you need to ask Swamiji something to, or manifest something or set an intention for something. Just sit and enjoy that space you're sitting with him. As soon as I sat in that, after a couple of minutes, one of the person on the call said, I've got to go down and pick my clothes, it's raining. And it's amazing. You didn't even have to create an intention. All you had to do was just sit and connect with him. And I find that's the best way to manifest powers. Uh, and that's the best, in fact, the best way to also interact with Swamiji. It's like an orange juice, where you being in oneness with him is like an orange juice. And at the same time, knowing that when you drink it, you're going to be healthy, that's a side effect of it. So the side effect of the side effect of oneness is manifesting power. So you need not worry that you'll not be able to manifest powers. All you have to do is just be in oneness with him to express and manifest powers. So do take this opportunity to come and get initiated by Swamiji into these various beautiful powers where you'll be able to live your life more beautifully, more simply, less complicated, more powerfully, where you don't need to get any form of incompletion because you can't manifest what you want. It is the best space to be able to interact and manifest these beautiful powers. So with this, blessings and Nityananda.